Welcome to the world of aesthetic medicine, where expanding your skills can transform your practice and enhance patient satisfaction. At IAPAM, we offer comprehensive training programs that cover the latest techniques in Botox and aesthetic medicine. Learn from experienced dermatologists through our hands-on workshops, mastering procedures like Botox, lasers, and non-invasive body sculpting. These skills don't just enhance your practice, they ensure high patient satisfaction and repeat visits. But that's not all. Our Certified Medical Weight Management Provider program empowers you to guide patients on their weight loss journey. Our training also covers essential business strategies, equipping you to market your practice effectively and achieve autonomy. Visit ipam.com to learn more and register today. Expand your skills, grow your practice, and redefine your success.